The Anglin Family 4. Thank God we make it. Thank God we make it. The Anglin Family 4. Give thanks. We make it. Cause we are come from far. Me and Sheena. I work so hard. Edit the video them and I make them every day. Big up Aria, she not play. Big up Aaron, him not play. Them love the video, them love to make video. Hard work we are putting every day. Anglin Family 4. Yes, we made it. Yes, we made it. The Anglin Family 4. Thank God we make it. Thank God we make it. The Anglin Family 4. Give thanks. We make it, cause we are come from far. Me and Sheena, I work so hard. Edit the video them and I make them every day. Big up Aria, she not play. Big up Aaron, him not play. Them love the video, them love to make video. Hard work. So guys, the bird them come back. Aria, the bird is back. Birdie! So guys, the bird them back eating their cakes. Birdie! Wow! Aaron, Birdie. Birdie, Aaron. Aaron, bird show. Birdie. 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 Wanna come? Wanna come, puppy? Alright, I'm gonna push it, guys. I'm gonna push it. You wanna go, mommy? You don't wanna watch a bird show? Birdie then soon come back. Sit down, Aria. Bus gone. Birdie, where's Birdie then? Man, gonna come back. Birdie, come for your food. So guys, we literally put on some cake crumbs on the ground. I did it from yesterday Sunday, but we didn't get any feedback from the birds. They didn't come, so I didn't know where they go yesterday, but today they're back, and you can see Aria and Aaron out here enjoying the day. You know, so guys, it's your boy Robert. Hey boy Robert, what a go on? Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend. Tell a friend, say, look here. Make sure you like and share and watch the video. Okay, the Anglin Family 4. Like, share and subscribe, guys. Don't forget. So guys, back in the video now. So we put some cake crumbs on the ground to attract the bird them to come and eat, and let the kids them have a bird show. Fine bird show, you know. So guys, you know, I'm not telling a story, you know, about bird. Yeah. So guys, telling a story about bird. Guys, when I love bird, I have one bird cage. I have a bird cage when I catch a bird and I put them in. Seriously. I go up in a tree to catch a bird and go up in their nest, take them out front of my baby. Yes, guys. I'm putting this inside a cube. And when the bird come, bird are gonna go in there. Sometimes I try to take them out back on, you know. And something happened to you, look a bird, but I feel responsible still. But I love bird. That's the way I don't want to get close to them. Yeah, I come close to air and area right now. I love bird. So I say like these birds like flying apart. So I say alright, they're flying back and forth sometimes. You see them sometimes, you don't see them. So I say might as well I throw some crumbs on the ground and then we always out here at chill. Air and area a chilling spot. So we there chill and you know sometimes when the bus stop somebody at the bus stop or so, 'cause it's a bus stop. So when somebody at the bus stop and so and guys you know as a man say you have to live where you can live till the time come free. You know what I say? Yeah. For real. I really want my gate be a bus stop. You understand? I never this stuff type of like expose my kids them like no like bro somebody can come pull a gate anytime and attack my kids them. My kids them cannot play out here. I have to out here with them if I'm out here. See it there? Bus stop my gate. So and I really literally mean like I'm loving what I'm living. I wish we have like a nice little home where they can have them little privacy. Yeah, not exposed like this to people. Like whenever like say we don't like people and we don't love people, but not exposed. 'Cause you have good, bad, and all type of people. You understand? So usually the Lord help us soon and very soon so we can get a nice home. We can have a playground and make the kids them have the real fun and can run up and down by themselves without me. I feel you know have them right. See the forest then go guys. I from my hand length. The forest then go from my hand length. Forest then the guys at my hand length. So I'm gonna try for the outer then reach no time. My hand length, yeah, that's it. Right at my hand length, you know move. School bus area, soon gone for the bus next year area or that day I forgot drive go for you. I think I'm gonna drive go for you though area. I think I'm gonna drive go for you so like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. About the Anglin Family 4 guys, we're out here, you know. Out here. Doing our work, chilling with the kids them and them way. I feel them late today, you know. Yeah. I left me come in. If I come in for work. Come in for work and so. Yeah, this I come from work. This I come from work guys, so I come from work. Look on the time. Kids they want them time to. I understand. Mommy want a little time to feel. You know, you don't know if I will Afghanistan or them war place, them know that different. Iraq and them place, I know that are different, you know. But I'm there in a zone, so when I put out my good set, I'm not far from them. I understand, I'm not really want to far from them still. Like when I want to come for work and can make them chill out till all ready to go to school and come back home and them thing there. Cause you don't know school if you're out there and you know. You're not really ready to go to school yet. We are next year, September. Believe next year September Aria go ready to go to school, but I believe Aaron have I think 2 more years left. Yeah, the boy have 2 more years at home. But probably I gonna send him off early. If me see, 'cause you know when you see sister go to school, him go jealous. So him go want to go to school with Aria. So probably it will come to you say you have to go send him off fast. You know? Yeah. You have to go send Aaron fast with Aria. Cause Aria go out there and probably Aaron will go out there. So So probably Aaron now sit out, wait till exact time come for go to school, but I probably have to send him sooner. Send him sooner. Soon when Aria start to go. Yes guys, like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about the Anglin Family 4. Like, share and subscribe. Huh? Inside Aria? Aria bus baby. No, you can't. No, Aria. No, you can't do that.
No.
Aria go like say she's slick, you know, guys. You have to know that. Think Aria play. If Aria catch a fish spinner in her hand, me go spin you. Yeah. Make you know say you're in charge, you know. Yes, man, Aaron easy to you. Aaron kick back. Worry yourself, papi. Ask you to bite some Jordan here. So yes guys. Out here, you know, guys. Kids them have to have them time too. You know. Kids them have to have them time. Real time. Anglin Family 4 out here. Like, share and subscribe. Tell the guys them bye, Aria. Bye. Aria, look here. Aria, here. Aria. You know, tell the guys them bye. Alright guys. Bye. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Anglin Family 4 out here, guys. Yeah. Bird story have something with caterpillar you can fire. Let's look on the bird and fire elastic. We get the caterpillar out of a tree. Like the limbs them, we get the limbs them and make a catapult stick. Chop a catapult stick out and get put the elastic band on it and start shoot off a bird. Psh, 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 psh. That wasn't nice to shoot off a bird. But guys, that was a bird story. Like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, we're out here. Yes. Anglin Family out here, guys. Birdie. Yes guys, so any guy I'm gonna chill out today. Alright, Aaron, so we have a bird show going on here today. So I put some cakes on the ground. I put some cakes on the ground for the birdie then to come. So yes guys, the Anglin Family, like, share and subscribe. So Ari and Aaron having a bird show. Guys, look at mosquito bite Aaron. Look at mosquito bite Aaron. Oh my god. We go down the park other day. Last Thursday. And mosquito bite area on his foot down there. Yeah. So sorry about that guys, but I don't know. So comment and tell me when we can get. So they're scared by the people who passing. They're scared by the schoolers them passing and stuff. Yes guys, so what we do, I get some cakes and show you what to do, like, you know. So just in time for when the place silent, they come back and eat. So just for the kids them get a bird show. So you pause the video and say if a birdie then come back. But once the people them are going out on the bus stop or some right up there on the bus stop, they say. Once them did say bird them not gonna come. So we pause the video so we can catch back the bird then. Yeah man, it's your boy Robert out here man, Chef boy Robert. You know. Not chef up nothing today but we have vlog something, you know. Big up wife she, you know. Pamela Jackson. Alright, Aaron. So guys, the bus comes so we have vlog. The bus have us, so the people ain't gone for the bus now. So let's say if the birdie them will come back. Aaron and Aria. Aria say hi guys. Say hi to the guys then. Aria say like, share and subscribe. So the road kinda busy with traffic today, so you know. It's your boy Robert out here, man. Yeah man. We're there. We're going guys. Don't know the daily routine. Yeah. Certain place I can't go because we go to my park and mosquito bite up Aaron and so. Yeah. But you know, sometimes we're in our yard and we say, but we don't want to feel trapped, so we just give them a walk and so. Yeah. Aaron, say hi to the guys then. Show them the mosquito bite up, Aaron. So we are waiting for bird to come back and try to get silent, so stick around. Guys, bird is smart. The one that come, so I might eat the cake. So when the guys them have bird watch, Aria, Aaron, bird watching. So one come. So guys, there one bird up on the rail, so. Yeah, we call bird is smart, you know guys. You know so bird smart. I call him and I say the coast clear. So we guess we can land down and enjoy the cake. The cupcake. So I'm definitely did plan for this moment guys. You know? Put it out there for Sunday. When I see them come Sunday none at all. So today is Monday, so watch the bird show. Stay tuned guys. So we're back in action guys. Birdie then come back. Birdie, Aria, Birdie eating. Aria they're eating. Yes guys, Anglin Family out here guys, bird watching. So we put some cakes on the ground guys, literally, purposely. So we want to see the bird come and then Aaron get a mosquito bite, but you know. Aria say hi, say like, share and subscribe, Aria. So the guys are not chill on. Birdie eating. Birdie eating guys. You enjoying birdie eating? So guys, we literally put some stuff on the ground for birdie then can't eat. And then anytime some place get busy and so they fly away, but they're coming back. So you don't know the Anglin Family for out here guys. The Aria bird watch. Aaron and bird watch. Yes. So when nobody come by bus, stop birdie them over fly away. So, birdie, where's birdie Aria? Birdie gone? Birdie gone, Aria? Birdie gone? Aaron, where is birdie? Birdie gone? Birdie, them is not gonna like here right now because birdie. So okay, so stick around. Alright guys, stick around guys, so we gotta wait up until if we can get some more action for you with the birds them back eating the cakes on the ground. Yes guys, see you have the cake crumbs on the ground. Yeah. So guys, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. You know. So because we have someone at the bus stop right now, cause my gate is a bus stop, so bird them not gonna really come back. So we stay tuned, guys. So we can go to some action back. When the bus come, I don't know how long the bus will take to come. So we can stay pause until the bus come back. Like, share, and subscribe. Aria, sit down, don't fall out. Aria, sit down. Aaron, okay? So feel better, Pops. I can't believe I take the kids them down the park. And look what mosquito done to them. Oh my God. Don't worry, Papi. You'll get better.